Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel. If this is your first time here, please make sure you subscribe and click on the bell to turn on notification so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be notified. So I'll be using this braiding hair here to make the passion twist. I'll also be using some elastic bands and barbecue sticks. So I'll start by bringing out the quantity of hair I want, like so. Then I'll pass it through the barbecue stick, then twist it around the barbecue stick, and then I'll use my elastic band to secure it so that it won't unravel when I start twisting it around the barbecue stick. So just twist it first, then secure it with the elastic band. So now that I've secured it, just go over it like so. Make sure it's tight. Then I'll start twisting it around the barbecue stick. While I'm twisting this, I'm making sure that there is gap in between. You'll see the reason why I'm leaving this gap. So just, it's not that tight, so I'm just twisting it around like so and leaving the gap. This video was inspired by Lovette Speaks and Omoni Got Calls here on YouTube. So now that I've reached halfway, so I'll go back again and start twisting again and wrapping it around the barbecue stick and covering the gap I made earlier. You see, I'm going over it again, then using the braiding hair to twist around those gaps I left at the beginning. I told you to leave the gap, so that's what I'm doing now. So when you reach the end like so, you can use elastic band to tie it, but since I still have like tiny braid at the end, so I just use it to tie it around. But you can use elastic band. So now what I'll do next is to push it together. See what I'm doing, right? I'm just pushing it together. This way I'll be able to get the passion twist curl pattern. So just push it together like so. So let me do the second one, so that if you didn't get the first one, I believe you'll get the second one. Pass the braiding hair through the barbecue stick, then twist it around. Use the elastic band to secure it so that it won't unravel while we're trying to create the passion twist. Go over it again, continue the twist and turn, bearing in mind that I'm leaving the gap in between so that I can turn it over again and twist and turn so that the curl pattern for the passion twist will be gotten. So you can make as many as you want. Me, I just made like 50 to 60 pieces. Then like so, see how it is. Then the next thing is to put it in hot water. So it's inside my bucket already. I'll just bring hot water that I've already boiled. Then I'll pour it. Make sure that the hot water touches all the barbecue sticks. It's better you even use a smaller cup because this bucket was big, so I kind of tried to make it work anyway. So it's time to unravel. So while you're doing this, I'll advise that you be patient. Just be patient and just take your time to unravel it. You don't want to spoil the course you've worked so hard to make, right? Yes, so yes, my passion twist is almost ready. If you're still watching and you have not subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. I beg, just subscribe. Please subscribe, support my channel, and I promise you, you will come back for more. So it's better you subscribe now. You don't want to miss anytime I upload interesting and wonderful videos. And please give me a thumbs up this video, give it like, share with your friends also. So here it is, the passion twist, the first one. See how the curls look, right? I like how this curl is. Wow. So let me do the second one and see how it turns out. So if you're looking for a side hustle, this one is also a side hustle. If you can just sit and do as many as you can, because I find out that it's expensive. When this passion twist is expensive somehow when you buy it from when you order it online. So if you can just sit back and just do it yourself, and you save some coins. So this is how it looks. Wow, this one is so nice. So let me just go ahead and package it. See how they all turned out looking so nice. How bouncy. See how bouncy it is. This is so good. So if you want it to be like you're using it as a side hustle, you can just package it like so, and it will be ready for shipping. So I hope you find this video very helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and if you've not subscribed, please do subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video.